Hi everyone, Jesse from Farol here. Behind me you can see that I've got the Indespension livestock trailer. Just have a quick look around. On the front there is your spare wheel. You can see it is a twin axle trailer. You have two half doors on the front. Let's go around the back. I've already opened the back up for you. It has a spring assisted tailboard. Inside comes with LED lights, has ventilation flaps on both sides, and you have a little half door on the front on this side. There is your partitioning board there on the front. This trailer is £4,295. If you want any more information on this trailer, then don't hesitate to contact me. My phone number is 07989 987 205, or you can drop me an email at jesse@farol.co.uk. Cheers.